Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage map. In the beginning, from the home page, let's go to map. Here you can scroll through map, zoom in and out, save location, search nearby POIs, focus, start navigation route, change map view,
Guidance is at this volume.
manage guidance volume, alerts volume, change scale, and go to settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.